From September all the way to February, the Augusta community is finally back to normal since Hurricane Helene. But things are looking a little different for students like Brandon Powell.
We had a chicken coop that we turned into it was a clubhouse that we turned into a chicken coop. You can still see some remnants of it down there, but it got demolished. Tree smacked down straight through it.
Brandon still remembers the night of the hurricane. He says he was at home when it all happened.
And I was sitting there in my living room with my cat, and you can hear all the commotion and the trees cracking and everything, man.
Very little work has been done to his property and the surrounding area.
Yeah, I hear a lot of chainsaws. Chainsaws has been like constant.
The main reason for this? Cost.
There's people out there scalping, taking advantage. So we had one that's just clearing the trees, just cutting them down so it's actually safe to walk in your backyard. That was about 30 grand.
From broken glass to fallen trees, 5 months later,
We had a whole lot of grass and clover in the backyard. It was great. Now there's no more.
Brandon's home still looks the same.
It's going to be a lot of muscle work. There's obviously, if a tree falls on your house, you ain't going to leave it there. You got to get rid of it and repair what damage it done. It's going to take a while to fix it back up to where it was.
As we move forward, he's just hoping that things will start looking a little more normal for him and those in his community.